Today I want to show you an update on the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. If you go on the WhiteBIT Earn, you will see two different options. One is crypto lending and the second one is staking. The crypto lending, this is the product used to be called smart staking that it was used before. You will see that WhiteBIT is using this asset in margin trading, so you will take interest from this type of product. If you are gonna choose the plan, is the same product that it was before. You can find very interesting interest rates. So for the yearly on USDT, this is 30% interest rate. For 180 days is 30%. For 90 days it is 6%, so this is very good. And what is amazing here is that you can choose different interest plans, and on the other hand you have different cryptocurrencies that you can deposit your money and you can take profits. So if you are a long-term investor, or probably you are blocked in spot trading, this is one of the best options that you can do right now, because you can never know how long it can take for the price to rise again up to your entry price or probably higher. So you can just choose your cryptocurrency and you can deposit. It is very easy in this way. You can just click on the open plan and you will see the different options. After that you have just to choose your amount that you want and press the open plan. It is very easy, and also the cancellation, the close of the deposit, it works in the same way again. Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Hope you guys are doing well today. The first cryptocurrency that we are going to analyze is going to be Bitcoin. We are going to do an analysis from the scratch, and the second one is going to be Ethereum. So let's break it down from the weekly time frame. As you can see from the technical perspective, from bottom to top, we can see that price already corrected almost 78.6% of the move down. So actually from this point the price is stopped in a very strong zone and we may see some price reaction. However, what may happen right now, because we are in a very critical example this time, let's say, price is actually consolidating. Look at this consolidation, and many are expecting for Bitcoin to move a bit lower. So this low that many are looking at comes down to 13,000, and it corresponds to the zone and the structure close to 12,000 and 500, 400, it doesn't matter. So this is a structure support that many are focused already. However, we don't know if the price is going to move so low. We are going to look at also some details because I don't want to speculate with this part for the moment. And we can see that on the daily chart, when all the crash began, the price was close to a very beautiful area here. It was this pattern. It was developing very well until this problem here, and the first crash began with Terra Luna, as we can see. At this moment, price decreased approximately 32% in Bitcoin, 33%. We saw the price that was stopped in this area. It was looking like it was doing a potential reversal after the market absorbed the news. It was approximately, let's say, a 1 month correction, and after that we saw Celsius to create the second collapse. So this was the second punch for the market at that moment. And Bitcoin decreased by approximately 44%. So look at all of these moves down are approximately within the same area, as we can see here. Now we are facing another big problem, And the new problem that we are looking at right now is FTX that created this panic move here. It is very bad actually. The market is still waiting. It is in a high panic mode this time. And from top to the bottom of the wave, we can see that price already made a move or deep down up to 27%. So this is very deep. It looks small, but in percentages these are very similar to each other. We need to consider that we are in waves, and waves tend to have specific price most of the time, how they develop, so very specific moves. If we are going to take the previous move from the top, so it was 32%, let's say, the first move 32%, it is not too far away, 32, 33, so it comes close to 15,000, 40,000, and sorry, it comes a bit lower, 32% approximately. So this may come close to 14,500. So also from the calculations, Bitcoin has a minimum production cost, so it comes close to 15,000. This is the production cost that is calculated approximately for Bitcoin. You can find this in the market as number. So here we have the production cost, and this is going probably to create the stop for Bitcoin. This is the production cost that we are looking at also here. So it comes a bit lower, so approximately this zone, I think that this absorbed completely the news and we may see the price to move up again. However, we have to be careful, because if we are going to look at it in a different perspective, let's say if we are going to look at this pattern, just one moment, the price is looking like it broke down from this triangular pattern and probably it may move lower. However, let's keep calm and let's see what is going to happen. Probably it is better to stay out of trading during this period of time, because it will be speculated a lot. But we can also see any type of wedge pattern that may develop here. I have also another reason that I'm looking at this pattern development. We may see any price development at this point, and after that the price may recover again. On the other hand, we are looking at other news that are shared about FTX. Crypto enters new phase of development in wake of FTX collapse that is expected from the market. So this is from JP Morgan strategist that they are looking at on FTX, so it is their perspective. And look at what they are writing here. FTX bankruptcy will be a classic example of short-term pain and long-term gain. So let's see what will happen, considering that FTX has already gone in bankruptcy. Market probably is actually absorbing this kind of news, and the move down is approximately the same, so plus minus it can be something like that. So we can see the reversal zone very soon, or the price may stop also here. And we have also the 15,000, the calculated production area for Bitcoin. So let's hope if Bitcoin is going to hold the price, to stop the price here, and it will not complete the triangle scenario, but probably it will complete this wedge scenario. However, the reason that I'm looking at also this possible bullish wave will come now from Ethereum, and that is another perspective that I'm looking at right now. Look at how beautiful Ethereum is developed. On the weekly chart we can see approximately the same perspective, so I'm measuring the wave. We can see that the price already was stopped at this point at the 786 area, Fibonacci retracement, and here we have the zone where the price already stopped here. So it looks like that this time the market is supporting more Ethereum than Bitcoin, but I want to share you the details that I'm looking at on Ethereum, that this is making this more interesting, and the probability that probably we can be close to potential reversal very soon. So the first one that I want to look at are the collapse waves. The first one from Luna was 39%. It was obvious that it was going to be higher because the price was also in a higher place. The second one that was close to this zone from Celsius, it was 52%. And here we are on the FTX move that we can see it was 36%. So also this time the wave created from FTX, 36%, is approximately close to the crash that Luna created during the previous move. So overall I'm expecting that everyone is looking at for FTX bankruptcy already. Even if it will be official, I don't see anything more to come right now at this moment. So let's say that even if the price is going to move lower, look at what we may face: 47%, 53%, and here we have 40%. This is the first part and the most important one that I'm actually looking at, so in my opinion is the most interesting part. And the second part is this here. So I'm looking also at this potential pattern here, a potential Gartley pattern. This is extended, so it may come also close to this point, to the pattern completion. This is an extended area, but in normal situation it may be considered completed also where it is now as a pattern. So if I'm going to look at it, if it fits good, we can say that it was completed. It was between 786 and 886. Look at this area here. So probably this pattern is also completed. Even if the price is going to move a bit lower up to 1010, 1050, all should be fine in my opinion, but I think that this is done right now, and from here we may see the bullish wave from this point of the structure. It has higher chances to happen, and the top detail that I'm finding at right now, that is the best one, is that during the previous crash on Celsius, price came close to 880, that is this point here, and for Ethereum price already stopped above the previous high. So this is a good indication that probably we may see a change in direction in the crypto market very soon, but we have to wait until everything will calm down. So as long as Ethereum is holding very strong, I don't think that Bitcoin is going to give up. That is why the chances for this type of pattern in Bitcoin are very high as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis, and let's hope for the best on the crypto market. I'd really appreciate if you are going to press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe for more future content. Thank you, and I wish you a good weekend. Bye bye.